like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will keep the content coming. Right now, we're looking at a 2009 Porsche Caymen S freshwater flood damage vehicle. We're determining whether we're going to build this vehicle or not. Right now, you can see the water line was somewhere around here. It was pretty deep. So there's definitely water in here, but this car says very low. And it was fresh water. I don't see any corrosion, so that's a plus. You know, these cars sit very low. Some condensation in the headlights. Actually, no, there's no water in there. That's on the exterior, which is good. There's a lot of things we got to clean first before we put power to it. Clean all the contacts, pull the interior out. A lot of work goes into it before we actually try and start the vehicle. So this is where they determined the water line to be from the insurance company. Looks about right, which isn't actually that bad. Just got to be real careful when you're prepping these vehicles to start. It can cause a lot of damage if you put power to it. So we're going to take our time with it. Make sure we clean all the contacts. Make sure there's no corrosion. Just make sure we get it right the first time. And hopefully we can get it running. These Porsche Caymans are very, very hot on the export market right now. Especially the manual ones, stick shift. No mold on the seats, which is a good sign. Just some dust. Carpets are damp. We're gonna pull out this whole interior. Try to get it running. Tell you what, we've fixed a lot worse than this, and they come out 100%. Oh, got a whole bunch of floods that came in. We got a lot of work ahead of us. Try and figure out which ones we're gonna build, which ones we're gonna just get running and sell. Only have so much time in the day. Only so many cars we can fix. We'll update this vehicle as soon as we get it running. Probably make a new video. Thanks for watching.